Right guys, this is going to be another video. Keegan's here, he's going to give me a hand, the XR friend. We're just going to put some conduit on the engine, so it's going to be pretty much simple really. You can get this from anywhere in different colours as well. I can put a link in the description if you want to have it. But I can show you now how we're going to just replace all this little bit. I used to have it before, but obviously when the piston 4 went, I never actually replaced it, so now's the time to actually replace it. So I've got two different sizes for all this here. See them running away. The XR friend, come back. Alright, so 20mm conduit, 10mm conduit. This was royal blue colour, although they do look different, but they're not actually different. Or are they different? Maybe a little bit. But yeah, we're going to sit this on the car and just replace all the bits. This has just been, like I said, a simple video. I know you can't see my face. But yeah. Hey? Let's see that with your face. Right. Right, come on man. What we're playing at? Why you stood there?
Hands in pockets.
Look busy. Slave labour.
Near my arse is going to be on camera. Pull my trousers up, so I don't want the tube seeing my sexy ass. Now this is where I pretend I'm an actual mechanic, but I know fuck all. Pretty much.
Trying to unscrew a bolt with a 7mm socket when it's a 6. I'm wondering why it don't open.
Why you gotta be so rude? Listen, nothing's going right today.
What's that, Keegan?
Dreaded death ball. Fucking ignorant about it.
Oh dear. Right guys, so this is the next day. I've not gone and replaced everything in the engine on the conduit. Me and Keegan just replaced a few bits because we had a spare hour before we had to go out. So there's still bits like this to be replaced, and this, which I will get round to. But other bits like this and such have been done. This bit here, this bit, as you can see, it brightens the engine up a little bit. This conduit is very, very cheap, easy to put on, as I've explained already. So yeah, it's a good addition to the engine bay, just to tidy up and get a bit more colour. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I'm going to do the rest obviously in my own time. I'm also going to replace the radiator hoses as well. So that's this, etc, etc, all the way down here, for some blue as well, just to tidy that up and make it all looking nice. So there will be a video on installing them if any of you guys want to see that. So yeah, this was just literally a quick one. Right guys, so that was just a quick video, just to show you how to put the conduit on. It is very simple. I've never shown it before, but I did have it on my engine before and I never got round to it, and I don't know why it's took me so long to redo it, but it looks all nice. All, as you can see, it just brings a little bit of quality engine, makes it look all nice and tidy instead of just seeing black everywhere. You can get it in a lot of different colours, so it's obviously a personal preference on what you guys want to have. So yeah, thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.